Hello, I welcome you all in the uh, another tutorial of 3ds Max. This is number 20. So in this tutorial, I will discuss a little bit further of about modifier of 3ds Max. So you can consider it part 2 of the modifier, so you can, for the complete understanding, you can go back to the 19 video number 19 to have a complete understanding. But anyway, let's continue. So okay, so another modifier is called let. Okay, mm, let's say I am creating a line. Okay, I want to make a flower vase or something. So let's say from here to here to here, and there. Okay, something like this. Let's say what is we are gonna make out of it. Uh, let. Okay, you see, as soon as I just apply the modifier, and you have to increase the segment, and as well as you have to, okay, it's a little bit of twist over there, so you have to maybe something like this: x value, y value, z value. Z value is not okay. Axis you can okay. The thing is, actually you have to, let's say, this is like a twist version. You can just, from the axis, you just uh, reposition it a bit, and then you see it's a kind of glass, I think. So if you go for see what kind of strange looking object is just created here, and this is x, this is y. So okay, main, center, main. Okay, uh okay, so you just maintain this one. Okay, you see something out of it come with the led, and then you can increase the the segment. Okay, so this one, if I off the led, then you see the yellow line is considering the rounding point, the center line, which the object can be created with round option. So that uh, this is, so there is a way to smooth this corner and make it a very very good looking glass. So any kind of, if you want to make any kind of jar or glass, or any kind of flower vase, or these kind of objects, then lead is the number one modifier to to try on. I mean, you can create them in other ways, but let modifier is very handy on that. Okay, so this is let, another modifier, another one, and then there is another called, when I make a plane. Let's make a plane. Okay, here, and let's increase the segments a bit. Okay, and then apply displacement. So where is the displacement amount? The strength. Okay, it requires a bitmap actually. So let's say we are going to, it requires a bitmap. So here bitmap is the image. See what happens. Let's say we are gonna, okay, let's say we are gonna uh, island island them map. Okay, island them black and white. Okay, something like this will do. Okay, let's say we just save the image, save it for the test. Okay, so this one is the image, not full version. I think we need a good one, so maybe we can collect it from here. Okay, this is the full version. So save desktop. Okay, so now it's the larger one. Okay, so see the magic. Let's say you want to create an island, this island. Okay, so you just go for, as much as segments. Let's say 100 by 100. Oops, 100 by 100. Okay, and then the displacement, and choose the bitmap from here. The bitmap, yeah. Okay, let's say this bitmap, png plugin. Oops, png library import warning. I don't know what just happened. It may be asking for the png, but you just increase the strength, and you see what is happening. You see the thing. Yeah. So you see, the island is created. I mean, this island, this one has been trying to create. The Max is trying to create by the displacement modifier, the displacement. So yeah, okay. You can the planar. Okay, different kind of projection you can do, UV map you can do. Okay, that's the you can do. I mean, you can play with the bitmap fit. Okay, so the bitmap fit, okay, you can play with the modifier, like settings. So you can do it 2 by 2 by 2. Yeah, you see there is multiple option of the way. So here is the displacement option. I mean, you can create any kind of terrain or any kind of bumpy wall, not just island, just bumpy wall or any kind of bumpness on the surface. Then displacement is one of the very prominent modifier. And there is another, I mean, lot of modifier you can play with. Let's say FFT. Okay, there is push modifier. Yeah, there is push modifier. Okay, you can push. I mean, uh, to create a push value. Yeah, it's gonna create the outer surface bigger. So that is, guys, I mean, you can take your time and go one by one. This is also a noise modifier. See it, same kind of displacement, and you can stack the modifier one by one according to your I mean model requirements. So I think you should take your time and you know go one by one. So there is another, maybe another modifier, just like the plane. Yeah, maybe I can try that cloth or simulate. Okay. I think, guys, this is done for me. I think you get the idea, and you just take the geometry, just create the geometry, and you just play it from the scratch. And okay, and you just discover what the modifier can offer. So if any questions, you can ask me. I will be happy to help. So thank you, guys. This is the end of the tutorial, and I will be come back again. This is you just clear about the modifier. I hope you get the clear idea about the modifier.